Hello friends, welcome to Nand Kishore classes. Today's lecture is going to be very interesting because we are going to learn how to make a pie chart. See, this data is given to us, this table is given, like blue color is preferred by 18 people, green color is preferred by 9 people, red color is preferred by 6 people. This type of data is given and we need to represent this data in the form of pie chart. Pie chart is actually a circle graph, and to draw the circle graph, to draw the pie chart, we should know the center angle. Now, what is the center angle? Firstly, let me explain. Let's suppose you are going to make, just one moment. Let's suppose you are going to make this circle as a pie chart. So, how much space we are giving? Like this is the space given to, let's suppose, blue color. Then what is this angle? Angle at the center, this one is known as central angle. Firstly, we should know the central angle for all of them. Then it becomes easy for us to plot the pie chart. Let's have a look how to find the central angle first of all. We need to create the same table as it is shown here. Blue is having 18 people, green is having 9 people. Then next to it another column you can make. Or let me make central angle for colors separately. Like for blue color. Blue color, 18 people like it. How many people like it? 18. Out of total number of people are 36. This is what we need to do first. Whatever its value is to be divided by the total. We need to make a fraction first of all. Usually the way we do, I scored 8 marks out of 10, right? So we write 8 divided by 10. In the numerator we write 8 and denominator we write 10. Same type of fraction is formed. Then since I need to find the angle, what is the total angle of a circle? Total angle of a circle is 360 degree. So always we need to multiply this fraction with total angle. That means 360 degree. Cancel them. 36 is cancelled and we will get 180 degree angle for blue color. Same way, let us check for green color. For green color, 9 is the count divided by 36 multiply by total angle, which is 360. If you cancel them out, what will we get? We will get angle 90 degree. Same way we can check for red color. For red color, we have 6 over 36 multiply 360. That means angle will be 60 degree. And same way you can find for yellow also. It will be 30 degree angle using the same concept. I hope concept is clear. So I am going to write angles here. For blue it is 180 degree. Green it is 90 degree. For red 60 degree and for yellow it is 30 degree. These all are the angles. Now according to those angles, we need to plot the pie chart. Let me show you how it can be done. Let me remove it from the board first. Let me make a space to make the chart. I hope you are able to understand till now how to find the central angle, right? Okay. We need to make a circle. Okay. Let me make a rough circle here. I'm just doing a rough part. You can draw it using compass as well. For blue color, 180 degree angle. That means if this is center of the circle considered, draw the diameter. This angle is 180 degree. So this full portion is for which color? Blue color. No doubt I have written it in red color, but this is blue. Space is for blue. Then green color is should to be given 90 degree angle. Okay. So this is 90 degree angle. I can write green color here. Red color and yellow color 60 and 30. So this is the space 30 degree I can give to yellow. I am writing Y here, and this upper 60 degree can be given to red color. See, that is how graphs are formed. Make sure you are using protractor and compass while making the pie chart so that there is no mistake in the angles. I have done the rough work, but you need to do the fair work in your exam. I hope you are clear with this question, right? Thank you so much for watching the video.